Well, hello everyone and welcome into another Joint Movement DPT's video. We are out here on some BLM land just outside Joshua Tree National Park because this weekend we are with Leah and Evan again, fellow travel therapists, and they're going to take us rock climbing for the second time, and we're going to get to go to a new place. So the first time we went to Red Rocks Canyon near Las Vegas, and today we're going to Joshua Tree National Park to do some rock climbing. So check it out.
It's a Sunday and I feel alright for the first time.
Woo! That was hard.
It's a Sunday and I feel alright for the first time.
So last night was great. We got in late, and so this morning we're going to go ahead and get some coffee whipped up on our cook stoves, get a little breakfast, and then head over to the park. This is Evan and Leah's little SUV build. Evan did this a few weeks ago. You've taken it out a couple times.
Well, we definitely got all the credit due to Ryan because he was the one who showed us it in the back of his car, and I was like, I need something like that. But we wanted to make it so we could sleep in it too because we don't have a nice rooftop tent. But it's just kind of like his. There's plywood under here. We put like felt, and then this comes out on these rollers. But it just sits on 4 posts, and then there's another piece of plywood that I can lift up, and it slides over top of that. And I just have a few screws I screw down in so it doesn't move.
Yeah.
Pretty easy.
Yeah, it's pretty sweet. They got like their kitchen table area, which comes out over the SUV. That's a must for some cooking. And then of course you see Leah up in there.
Still hanging in here.
And their sleep portion. Doing a little like SUV Subaru build, kind of like we've done, really helps your camping if you're going to be traveling hard on the weekends during travel therapy. So it takes a little bit of work, a little bit of money, but it's definitely worth it. I'm going to go ahead and get to making some coffee because I hear Megan stirring up in the rooftop tent.
Best. Is it ready? You plunged it?
I plunged it.
It's good. Check out my layers, people. I've got a shirt, a windbreaker, a down vest, a down coat, a hat.
You're all bundled up.
I'm bundled. It's the wind. It's the wind that gets you. I'm just sitting here lounging in our new camp rocking chair while Ryan's finishing up getting everything put away and ready for our hike, but man, it is a luxury. I don't know why we didn't get this years ago, but I'm loving it. These are the shock rockers. What's it say on the side? Kickback rockers. Get them at your local Dick's Sporting Goods.
It'll be exciting to see the difference between here and Joshua Tree. It's like granite rock compared to red rock in Red Rock Canyon. And so just different climbing atmosphere is what I hear, and surface. I'm already tired. I can still see the parking lot over my shoulder. A lot of people coming out. There's like 8 or 9 tents over there by the rock climbing, some rock climbing routes. People hanging out there doing some rock climbing all weekend, so that's pretty cool.
So here we are back at Joshua Tree. I never thought we would return. After our first trip, I was like, yeah, it's kind of overrated. Not my style, but we're back. We're gonna experience it in a new light, and
hopefully no rain.
hopefully no rain. I'm excited.
All right, new plan. We did not find the climbing route, and so we now went to a different place called Indian Cove. They have some awesome campgrounds out here where you can do some camping and then rock climbing just right by it. As you see, we're gonna go right up this valley. It would be really awesome to get a camp spot here, but you have to reserve way out. We looked, of course, last minute because that's how we roll. But you need to be like at least 3 months out to get these spots, especially right now during the winter when this is kind of their high time. But these people look like they're having so much fun out here on these at these campsites, and so excited to finally get up here to this climbing route. We see other people climbing on the big granite boulders, and so we're almost there.
I'll give you a high five. I don't know why, but that one got my nerves. But
She rocked it.
it was fun. It was worth it. Yeah, it was really hard right at the beginning because it felt like you don't have anything to grip on or push off of, so the feeling of falling off the wall was really getting me. But once you're at the top, you get to just climb. Now I'm gonna learn to belay Leah, and Ryan just belayed me, and he did great, even though I was nervous. But I felt very secure. Now it's my turn to learn.
A scary couple bonding moment. Belaying each other in the rock.
I mean, that's a true tester. That's
One
true
control.
trust.
One controls all the power. It's a lot of trust.
What are you getting ready to do?
I'm about to lead climb for the first time. So climbing up, placing the rope, free climbing a little bit up to the next little clip. So
It's gonna be
here's-
epic.
Here's nothing. Here goes nothing. Well,
How do you feel?
it was pretty scary. But I did it, went all the way up. But as soon as you go past the bolt and you know if you fall, you're gonna have to fall back to wherever you just clipped in at. Oh man, even if it was like 1 foot of drop, it seems way too much. And that was a pretty easy route compared to some of the ones we've climbed, where you had some really good handholds and stuff. But whew.
Coming to a wall near you. Lead climbing, Ryan. You killed it.
How did you feel when you did your first one?
Yeah, it's terrifying.
Well, guys, I'm happy I tried that lead climbing. There are a few things. I no longer have to go poop anymore, and I need to change my pants very soon. So, that's great.
I think it pushes me to my fear limits, but it's fun, especially with friends. And it's fun to learn something new, and it feels good when you push your limits and you get all the way to the top of the wall. My hands are like really feeling it. Woo! That was hard.
5'9".
It's hard to do.
That was the same. I think a 5'9".
It's really hard. We just finished climbing. We got to do 2 routes today. It was a lot of fun. The second one was so hard. But now we are gonna head to the BLM land where we slept last night. We would love to stay in this campground. What's it called? Indian Cove. This is awesome. It is like a party here. There's so many tents. It's like a huge jungle gym. We'd love to stay here, but our planning does not happen far enough in advance to get one of those spots. So we're going back to the BLM land and we're gonna have some awesome dinner and some fun, and then rest up for tomorrow. Morning!
Good morning. We had a great time last night. We got to break out the solo stove campfire and
Yes.
cook some things on it.
I think it's the first time we actually cooked on our solo stove.
Yeah, by the time we got out to the BLM land, it was dark, so it's really hard to film when it's dark. But what we did was we had our solo stove, and then we took the grate off our little propane grill that we use at the RV, and we took that with us, and then we just sat it over top of our solo stove. And so once we got some coals burning, then we could do some little tinfoil
Fit
packs.
perfectly.
Yeah, we could do some little tinfoil packs of like potatoes.
And then we had jalapeno cheddar sausage, and then we made a special campfire cake.
Yeah, campfire cake that we just learned the recipe from some friends. You typically do it in a Dutch oven, but we did not have one of those. But we did have a tinfoil tray,
Yeah.
and it ended up
It
working.
turned out good. It was yummy.
Yeah, not too bad. So we had a great time. Wasn't as windy last night, so we had a good night's rest. And then today we are back out at Indian Cove to do some more rock climbing.
Yes.
I am a little tired. Megan's a little sore. I'm a little sore.
I'm definitely sore.
From our long hike yesterday and our rock climbing. It's a lot of hard work.
Yeah. I mean, muscles I didn't know I had are sore.
It's also a little windy, a little chilly today, so we're really bundled up. Megan has her lovely quilt blanket on,
Yep.
and so we're gonna go up to the route now.
Yay.
So we're gonna be climbing up some of these over here, these rocks. Yikes. Turn around and tell them where we're gonna be climbing.
For sure. I think glasses are in mine. So we're climbing just right up. Woo! This rock here. Do you know what level it is? 5'7".
5'7".
It's a 5'7".
Yeah.
We climbed a 5'9" yesterday.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
5'7" and a 5'9" yesterday.
Yeah.
Maybe a 5'9" plus.
That's a
It's
big
kinda
deal.
hard. But yeah, so this route, Ryan's gonna lead it. I don't think
He doesn't know that yet.
He doesn't know it yet, but he is.
So we've got these awesome quilts that Ryan's grandma made for Christmas a couple years ago. So we've got 2 of them. We always keep them in the Subaru. We use them up in our tent. And today, when it's super windy and I need a little extra warmth, but they're so versatile, super sturdy. They've got prints from Ryan's childhood on them. So they're also really like a part of family fun history. I love that we have them. They're perfect.
Yeah, so make sure to get you a grandma that can quilt. You know, they have them at your local Joanna fabric store.
These glasses make it so that you can keep your cervical spine in good alignment and still watch your climber up above. So right now, I'm seeing my hands in the blue sky. And now I see you. Hello. Can you see my eyes?
That is our Joshua Tree rock climbing adventure. We're so glad that you all watched this week's video. We release a video every Sunday, so make sure to check it out. And if you're a travel therapist, make sure to hit up our website, jointmovementdpts.com. A lot of good stuff there, or check out our Travel Therapy Insider videos on more of the ins and outs of travel therapy, why we get to do such cool things like rock climb and Joshua Tree. If you like this video, hit that like button. If you're not already subscribed, please subscribe to our channel. That just supports us and lets us know that you're enjoying the content. And until next time,
See ya!
see ya!
It's a Sunday and I feel alright for the first